Want to know something wild? The reason toxic people won't leave you alone has nothing to do with them being jerks. It's because you're sending out one tiny signal that screams, "I'm an easy target." And here's the thing, you don't even realize you're doing it. But once I show you what it is, and you change it just one time, watch what happens. Toxic people will suddenly avoid you. Decent people will respect you way more. And some folks, they'll be completely confused because you're not who they thought you were. That's how you know it worked. Let's fix this today. Rule number 1. Stop giving instant reactions. Here's where you're messing up. Somebody throws a nasty comment at you, and boom, you react immediately. Your expression shifts, your voice starts trembling, you jump into defense mode, trying to explain yourself or prove them wrong. That's exactly what they were hoping for. Mean people survive on your reactions. It's literally fuel for them. When you react instantly, you're handing them the remote control to your emotions. They say 5 words, and suddenly you're the one feeling terrible. They just won. Picture this. Someone's trying their hardest to upset you, saying harsh things, pushing every button they can find. But you just sit there, completely relaxed, not angry, not defensive. You look at them like they're reading the phone book out loud. What do? They quit, because it's no fun anymore. They wanted you rattled, and you gave them nothing. So here's your new move. Next time someone takes a shot at you or tries getting under your skin, do absolutely nothing. Just look. Stay completely relaxed. Let 3 full seconds tick by. Count silently. 1, 2, 3. Then respond with something super basic like, "All right," or "interesting," or "got it." Keep your tone flat. Keep your face neutral. You're not bothered, not triggered, just totally unbothered. Watch their confusion. Their brain goes, "Hold on, why didn't that work? I was rude and they literally don't care." And usually, they just stop, because you stopped feeding them what they came for. Powerful people don't react to every little thing. They pick what actually deserves their attention. Weak people react to everything, then wonder why they're exhausted all the time. You want real respect? Stop letting random people control you with sentences. Rule number 2. Stop over-explaining everything. Know what people with no boundaries do constantly? They explain why they made that decision, why they said that, why they can't do something right now. They give these long backstories, trying to make everybody understand and approve. Cut that out immediately. When you explain too much, people hear guilt, like you messed up and you're scrambling to justify it, even when you did nothing wrong. You think you're being clear and helpful, but what they actually hear is, "I'm unsure about my decision, so please validate me." Here's the upgrade. Someone questions why you did something. You simply say, "Because that's what I decided. Period. Full stop. No long explanation. No defending yourself. No fishing for their approval." If they keep pushing, if they go, "But why though?" you say the same thing again. "That's what I decided." Stay calm. Don't get irritated. Don't get defensive. Just repeat it like it's the most normal thing ever. Most people will drop it because they realize you're not playing the game. You're not defending. You're not convincing. You made a choice. Done. And the ones who won't drop it, the ones who keep digging and digging, those are the toxic ones. Now you can see them clearly. Those are the people trying to control you, trying to make you feel guilty for having your own mind. Strong people make decisions and stand by them. They don't need universal approval. They don't need everyone on board. They do what feels right and keep moving. That's what makes toxic people back off. Rule number 3. Make bad treatment cost something. This is the huge one most people completely miss. You allow people to treat you poorly again and again with 0 consequences. They talk over you. They ignore what you're saying. They bail on plans at the last second. They embarrass you in front of other people. And what happens after? Nothing. You just accept it. So their brain memorizes something simple. Oh, I can treat this person any way I want, and nothing changes. No consequence. Why would I stop? Why would I act different? You've got to teach people that disrespecting you comes with a cost, not by screaming, not by drama, by quietly creating distance. Here's the move. Next time someone disrespects you or treats you badly, you pull back. You become less available. They text you, you take much longer to reply. Not forever, just noticeably longer. They ask for a favor, you're busy. They want to meet up, you've got other things going on. You're not being cruel. You're not trying to hurt anybody. You're simply showing them that bad treatment means they lose access to you, and your access is valuable. Your time is valuable. Your energy is valuable. Do this once and watch. They'll sense something shifted. They'll wonder why you're not around as much, why you're not rushing to help them, why you seem more distant. And most of them, they'll start treating you better because they don't want to lose you entirely. They realize, wait, if I keep being disrespectful, this person's going to disappear. I should probably change. This is how you teach people without lectures. Actions beat words every single time. Rule number 4. Get comfortable being unliked. Here's the brutal truth most people avoid. As long as you're terrified of people disliking you, they own you. They control you. They can treat you any way they want because they know you'll accept it just to keep them close. Toxic people sense desperation like a bloodhound. They can tell when you're dying to be liked, when you need everyone thinking you're wonderful, when you'll do absolutely anything to dodge confrontation, and they exploit it every single chance they get. So, you've got to become okay with the fact that some people will not like you, and that's fine. Actually, it's better than fine. It's required for your life to improve. Think about it. If literally everyone likes you, what does that tell you? It means you're being phony with some of them. It means you're hiding your real self. It means you're saying yes when you mean no. Try this. Next time it's obvious someone doesn't like you, don't try fixing it. Don't try winning them over. Don't twist yourself into a pretzel or apologize or do extra stuff to change their mind. Just accept it. They don't like you. So, what? When you stop worrying about being liked by everyone, something incredible happens. Toxic people vanish because you're not easy prey anymore. And good people respect you more because you actually have standards. You can't have genuine respect and be liked by everyone at the same time. Choose respect. It's worth infinitely more. Rule number 5. Show you're perfectly fine alone. The ultimate move? Being genuinely okay by yourself, not faking it, actually content. When people see you're happy solo, when they see you don't need them, they treat you completely differently, because now they want your attention instead of the other way around. Here's what you do starting right now. Stop chasing anyone. Stop being the person who always reaches out first. Stop being the person who always organizes everything. Stop keeping relationships alive single-handedly. Pull back. Live your life. Do what makes you happy. Be content with yourself. And watch who actually puts in effort to stay connected. The toxic ones, they'll vanish like fog. They only stuck around because you were convenient, because you always gave attention. But the good ones, they'll reach out. They'll message first. They'll make plans because they genuinely value you. This is how you filter your entire life. You become someone who's good alone, and then the only people around you are there because they truly want to be. Pick one of these 5 things. Just one. Try it this week. Maybe you stop reacting when someone tries upsetting you. Maybe you stop explaining yourself. Maybe you create a consequence for disrespect. Do it. One time. Watch what happens. Some people will respect you more. Some will back off. Some will completely disappear. That's exactly what's supposed to happen. Then next week, try another one. Keep building. Before long, toxic people will be gone, and you'll be surrounded by people who actually respect you. If this helped, hit that subscribe button. One click. That's it. Now go show people you're not someone they can mess with anymore. You've got this.